Hello mga ka-wisdom! Welcome to Wisdom's Power Channel. Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel na ito, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe, i-like, mag-comment at i-share ang video ito. Click mo na rin ang notification bell to receive more wisdom videos na katulad nito. Salamat! Today we're going to discuss the subtraction of algebraic expressions. So, to do the subtraction of algebraic expression, simply change the signs of the terms of the subtrahend and then add the resulting expression to the minuend. So, ang una natin gagawin, i-identify natin kung anong subtrahend, then lahat ng signs dun sa terms ng subtrahend, papalitan daw natin. We're going to change the signs nung mga terms ng subtrahend, then we will proceed to addition ng ating algebraic expression. So say for example, we have here 3x plus 5 minus 2x plus 4. So alam natin na itong 2x plus 4, yan yung tinatawag nating subtrahend. Mapapansin natin na yung 2x ay positive at yung 4 ay positive din. So positive 2x plus 4. So, yan yung ating subtrahend. So, ang sabi natin, kung magsusubtract tayo, papalitan na natin yung signs ng ating mga terms ng ating subtrahend. So, ibig sabihin, yung 3x, ma-minus na natin ng 2x. No? Dahil yung 2x ay positive, gagawin natin minus 2x. The same thing with 5. Pagmasdan natin yung 4, that is positive 4, ginawa natin siyang negative 4. Then we will proceed to the addition ng ating expression. So 3x minus 2x, that will be equals to x. Then 5 minus 4, that will be equals to positive 1. Or another approach, no? Pwede natin gawin itong another approach na to, no? So itong subtrahin natin na to, na 2x plus 4. So alam natin na pareho silang positive. So papalitan natin, gagawin nating negative, no? So 3x plus 5 yung ating first term, okay? Yung ating minuend, so 3x plus 5. Then pagmasdan nating mabuti, from galing sa positive 2x, naging negative 2x, at yung positive 4, ginawa nating negative 4. Then, combine like terms, so 3x minus 2x, that will be equals to x. Then, 5 and negative 4, the sum is positive 1. So, the same answer we will get. Okay? So, let's have practice problem number 1. So, subtract itong 3x plus 5y minus 7 from 8x minus 2y plus 4. So, if we're going to rearrange the problem, so that will be 8x minus 2y plus 4 minus, ang subtract natin, 3x plus 5y minus 7. So, ang sabi natin, yung subtract natin, papalitan natin ng mga signs. So, positive 3x magiging negative 3x. Yung plus 5y magiging siyang negative 5y. At yung negative 7 magiging siyang positive 7. Okay? We will change the signs of the terms of this subtrahend. Okay? So, observe, no? So, 8x minus 2y plus 4, ma-retain yung value ng minuend, then, observe mo yung nangyari sa ating subtrahend. The terms. So, naging negative 3x, naging negative 5y, and positive 7. Okay? Then, combine like terms. So, 8x, kasama niya yung like terms na minus 3x. Yung negative 2y, ang kasama niyan ay ng negative 5y, and yung positive 4 plus 7, dahil sila ay constant. So, simplifying the problem, so that will be equals to 5x minus 7y plus 11. So, that will be our answer. So, another approach, pwede mo siyang gawin ganito, no? So, 8x minus 2y plus 4 minus 3x plus 5y minus 7. So, ang sabi natin, lahat ng sign ng term nung ating subtrahend, papalitan natin. So, yung 3x, gagawin nating negative 3x. Yung positive 5y, gagawin nating negative 5y. At yung negative 7, gagawin nating positive 7. Then, proceed to addition. So, 8x plus negative 3x, that will be 5x. Negative 2y plus negative 5y, that will be negative 7y. Positive 4 plus positive 7, you will get positive 11. So the answer is the same. So 5x minus 7y plus 11. So let's have practice problem number 2. Find the result when 10a squared minus 4a plus 9 is subtracted from 15a squared plus 6a minus 3. So 15a, re-rearrange natin. So 15a squared plus 6a minus 3 minus yung nasa loob ng parenthesis natin, 10a squared minus 4a plus 9. So, ang gagawin daw natin, lahat ng terms, lahat ng sign dun sa terms ng ating subtrahend, papalitan natin, no? So, so, observe, 10a squared, it should be changed to negative 10a squared. Yung negative 4a, it will be changed to positive 4a. The positive 9 will be changed to negative 9. So, as you will see, no, from our new equation. Therefore, combine like terms. So, 15a squared. Hanapin mo yung like terms niya. That will be negative 10a squared plus 6a plus 4a plus negative 3 minus 9. Then, evaluate mo siya. That will be equals to 5a squared. That will be equals to plus 10a. That will be equals to negative 12. So, this will be our answer. So, if you're going to rewrite it, as you, kung saan ka komportable, ano? So, halimbawa, ganito yung dito ka komportable, wala namang problema. So, if you are comfortable with this kind of arrangement, so, you may do so. Okay? So, positive 10a squared, negative 4a plus 9 yung ating subtrahend. Then, papalitan natin lahat yan ng sign, lahat ng mga terms. So, that, that, that will become negative 10a squared plus 4a minus 9. Then proceed to addition. So, 15 plus negative 10a squared, that will be 5a squared. So, 6a plus 4a, that will give us positive 10a. Negative 3 plus negative 9, that will give us negative 12. So, the same answer you will get. Okay? Practice problem number 3. So, determine the difference of the following expression. So, again, so ito yung ating first, this will be our minuend, 3x plus 5y minus 6z. So, inalis ko na yung parenthesis. Minus, again, yung nasa loob nitong subtrahin natin, mababago na lahat. Ano? So, from positive x, it will become negative x. Yung negative 4y, it will become positive 4y. Yung positive 2z, that will become negative 2z. Then proceed to addition. So 3x plus minus x, or negative x, that will be 2x. 5y plus positive 4y, that will give us positive 9y. Negative 6c plus negative 2z, that will give us negative 8z. Practice problem number 4. So, the same procedure, 5a plus 3b minus 2a plus 6b. So, itong sign ng ating minuend, subtrahend rather, that is 2a plus 6b, that will become, from 2a, positive 2a, that will become negative 2a, and from positive 6b, we will change it to negative 6b, then proceed to addition. So 5a plus negative 2a, that will give us 3a, and positive 3b plus negative 3b, that will give us negative 3b. So this will be our answer, 3a minus 3b. Practice problem number 4. So again, so 2m squared minus 3m plus 4, that will be our minuend, minus 5m squared plus m plus 1. So we will change the signs of every terms in the subtrahend. The 5m squared will become negative 5m squared. Positive m will become negative 1. And positive 1 will become negative 1. Okay, so 2m squared minus 5m squared, that will give us 3m squared. 3m minus m, that will give us negative 4m. And negative, positive 4 minus 1, that will give us positive 3. So this will be our answer. For problem number 6, so try it for yourself. the answer should be 23a squared plus 55b plus 39. So you have to do it for yourself and see if your answer is correct. So for problem number 7, the same procedure, you should get negative 2x squared plus 2x minus 1 if you will try it and solve it for yourself. So that's all mga ka-wisdom. Again, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. And also click the notification bell to receive more wisdom videos like this. Thank you.